Hey guys, No Love Legos are here, and today we're going to look at Nexo Night Fortrex, or whatever it's called. Anyway, so yeah, this is a cool Nexo Night set. So let's take a look at a minifigure.
Here is Clay, yeah, a Clay, and the back pointing, yep, just a Clay minifigure. And here is Ellen, yeah, a Green Knight Ellen, with some arrows, stings, yep, pretty cool. And here we have Alex, or Axel, I forgot what his name, but he's pretty cool. He is a really tall dude, he's bulky with bulky arms, and yeah, yep. Here is the only bad guy, well, not the only one, the only human one, well, the looking human one, while the other is just a mini-axe. Anyway, so yeah, pretty cool. Yep, cool. We also have these. Yep, pretty funny looking. Alright, I get to this.
Actually, let's start with the small vehicle. Look at this cool vehicle. He shoots some disc, which I don't know where all they in my like shelf. Okay, anyways, so yeah, look. Yee, oh yeah, you fire up. Here we have a cool motorcycle. You pull a shield and not the sword, but yup, pretty cool. Will fit him, and then yeah. Okay, yep, pretty cool. Wow, look at the set. It's pretty big. And yeah, open up. Oh, snap! I forgot about this dude. I'm sorry. Yeah, he a robot. A cute robot. A cook robot. Got all these Nexo Night shield. Oh gee, so much. Okay, anyway, so yeah. Those the guns, and inside you can fit a car. So yeah. Upper it willed the guns at, and you can use it as a flying thing. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Wee. Anyway, yeah, take this off. No! Got some guns, pretty cool. On the side. Yep. Just a side. Yeah, on the back. Nothing much. But yeah, open this up. You twist this thing, and pop it. Oh, yeah. Woo! Everything open. Oh yeah, you also have this dude. Ooh, a wizard. Yep. And yeah, you can see all chairs. Oh yo, there's some dummy here and some cool net, something, a sword, a turret, or a gun thing. I don't know. Some Nexo Night shield and some food. Wow, that good looking food. Chicken. Yep. Oh, there's even some chair thing. You can fit bad guys in. You can fit more. Yep. Knock it. Everything moving. You also have a room over here to do something. Okay, I guess that's it for the set, so I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit the thumb up button. I'll do more of these videos until I'm 1 hour set. So yeah, I will buy more Lego set. Yeah, soon. Okay, goodbye.